Hi, my name is Ty. I'm the chief hop wizard at Woodstock Brewery. Aside from our core range, we release small, unique beers every second Thursday. And today, we're releasing this. This is called Tree Pose. Tree Pose is delicious. This is made mostly with finest lager and biscuit malt. And then for hops, there's only a little sprinkling of Cascade and Chinook. But for flavor, we've taken inspiration from nature. This contains fresh pine needle tops and black Turkish figs. And the result is a golden, clean beer with a delicate balance of woody, piney resin with subtle sweetness. Nature loves you. Come find proof. I promise I've pre-recorded this and I'm not sitting in the forest drinking beer at 6 o'clock in the morning.